Teresa. How are you, everyone? Let's do another cooking time together. Yay! Today, let's make spam musubi. It's kind of like rice ball, but you can use these spam containers, so it's easy to make with your kids too. And it tastes really great too. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Woohoo! Alright, so let's go over the ingredients first. We're going to use spam. And we also need some seaweeds, soy sauce, some mirin, and sugar to sweeten up the spam. Alright, so now let's start cooking. Let's make sure you wash your hands before you start cooking. Alright, step number 1. Let's get the spam out. So we're going to crack open the spam can. Careful when you open it. Alright, so now let's get the spam meat out on the cutting board. If it's hard to get it out, squeeze the size of the can. There you go. Yay! Got the spam out. And we're going to use this can of container later, so don't throw it away yet. Step 2. Let's slice the spam. Spam is a little bit salty, so I recommend you to slice it thinner. Alright, spam slice done. Step 3. Let's make sweetened soy sauce. 1 part of soy sauce, 1 part of mirin, and 1 part of sugar. And now mix it all up until the sugar dissolves. Okay, sweetened sauce ready. Step 4. Fry the spam. I suggest you to use a non-stick pan and grease it lightly. Alright, so let's put the spam inside the pan. Let's cook the spam until they're nice and golden on both sides. Okay, I think the colors are perfect on both sides. Step number 5, put the sweetened soy sauce on the spam. Once they're nice and brown, let's spread the sauce on both sides of the spam. Make sure you put it on both sides. And after the soy sauce is nice and caramelized, and if the spam is coated with soy sauce, they're done. Alright, step 6. Let's assemble into a musubi. Alright, so we're going to use this can to assemble it. So make sure you wash and clean the can, please. So I'm going to line it, the plastic wrap inside the can. Okay, so first we're going to put the rice. Let's put about 1/3 of the rice on the bottom. Maybe just a little bit more. Then using the spoon, press the rice to fit in the corners of the can. Alright, so rice done. Next, layer the spam on top of the rice. Next, wrap the plastic wrap and push it down firmly. To shapen up the musubi better. Then let's pull it out carefully. There you go, ta-da! Next, we're going to wrap it up in the nori, the seaweed. I think I want to use half of this size, so I'm going to cut it in half. Perfect! Alright, so next we're going to put the nori down on the plate, but make sure you put the shiny side facing down. Alright, then next we're going to unwrap the spam musubi and put it down, spam facing down the nori. Alright, then fold up the sides. Spam musubi done! Yay, spam musubi done! Alright, the best part, let's give it a taste. It's really good. Oh man, it turned out really well. I haven't cooked this for a long time, but it's really good. I love the sweetened soy sauce on it. The spam, it's a little salty, but it tastes perfect with the rice. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy assembling the musubi with your kids. If you have any requests, please type it in. And I hope everyone will have a wonderful day. Alright, goodbye!